See that Nyasho, Jesus.
Baby, I just want to appreciate you for what you have been doing for me. Since you came into my life, you turned my life around. You are my protector, you are my provider. Without you, I would not be able to survive in this Lagos. Like, you feed me, you pay my house rent, you cater for my family.
Okay.
You don't even let me do anything. Look at today now, we're still out here for breakfast. You didn't even let me prepare breakfast because you don't want to stress me, babe.
Who are you?
Rita,
Mm?
are you done? What do you want?
Babe, I already have everything. I don't want anything. I have everything I need.
Okay.
Rita, for the last time, what do you want?
It's why I saw the street of Instagram. It's very fine. It's very fine. Me, love it.
I come, women, for this Nigeria, can't they praise me like this? I know say there is something behind this, and I've seen it.